And then comes that this yoga has now got experimental. That means millions and millions and millions of forms. It has gone to an extent of nude yoga. How stupid people can get. Because their logic is that if you practice nude yoga, your ego will merge. What crap? What worse it can get? Someone is doing Agni yoga, someone is doing Hatha yoga, someone is doing Ashtanga yoga, someone is doing Vinyasa yoga, someone is doing Tantra yoga, someone is doing millions kinds of yoga. And do you have to follow that? And which is the best form? And to select best form, you need to understand there is no other form than just the word yoga. Yoga falls under legend master, like yoga fell into Vasishtha, one of the very big legend yogis we had in the world. He compiled a book called Vasishtha Samhita. Now he didn't name as Vasishtha Yoga. So how me, you, any one of us is naming yoga? Yes, you can always say it is X yoga, but don't make it X Agni, Dhyana, Pagni, any word. That doesn't make sense. Now, starting from number 1, and that is Ashtanga Yoga. You must have seen on YouTube, you must have seen yoga centers teaching Ashtanga Yoga. Understand, what does Ashtanga Yoga mean? Ashtanga means eightfold. Once again, Ashtanga means eightfold. 8 means ladders. There is no science in the galaxy in which when you are walking to the spiritual journey of life, you will know that I am at ladder number 3 or ladder number 6 or ladder number 7. There is no science other than yoga. It's a very scientific approach to man's end, that is death. And when we start working upon Ashtanga Yoga, yogis decided that let's make yoga step form. You have Quran, you have Hinduism, you have Buddhism, you have Jainism, you have Christianity. As a Hindu or as a Christian, do you ever know that which level of Christianity you are in? But when you practice the science of yoga, you will come to know, okay, I am at Pratyahara, I am at Sadhana, I am at Dhyan, I am at Dharana. So this eightfold of yoga were combined together and it was named by yogis as Ashtanga Yoga. Now, there cannot be a technique called Ashtanga Yoga because the meaning and the term used by Ashtanga Yogi, Ashtanga word, was simply eightfold of yoga, which is Yam, Niyam, Asan, Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharana, Dhyan, Samadhi. Now, which form of yoga lies into it? Which form of practice lies into it? No form. So let's not name something which does not have any value or any technique behind it. Technique is only one. When you practice asanas, Patanjali says that prayatna saithilyam ananta samapritebhyam. That means effortlessly when you fix the mind beyond, that's the only technique been told by a master to practice yoga. There is no other technique. Then comes Vinyasa. I don't know who created Vinyasa. Again, kind of a dance form. Posture changing, one after the other. It's nice to practice. But, for me, Vinyasa suits me well. Ashtanga is okay. Now, yoga will remain only yoga. There are 8,400,000 postures. And these 8,400,000 postures, when practiced by a person, they become yogi. Now, how will you learn 8,400,000 postures? From childhood, if you see yourself, you must have done more than 400 to 500 or 800 postures. Each posture the child takes is a posture of yoga. And how these 8,400,000 postures were made? Some crazy 100, 200, 400 people went to the mountains. I'm talking about how yoga evolved to the world. And they were searching for something more to life. Something which they didn't enjoy. Now this, when things like Death starts bothering you when you become sick. When you become sick, then death comes as a... Then most of the people go to churches, go to mosques, or go to different places where they need help. But the idea was to celebrate death, and that's the approach of yoga. Only a happy man can practice yoga. And I have been teaching for the last 10 years. I'm still yet to find one happy man who says, I want to learn just yoga. They come for fixing their ass, they come for fixing their chest, someone comes to fix the asthma, migraine, sinus, hypertension, and I get bored and sad. That million-year rule of science is diminished today to just